ulo? Tapos mo. Si Missy! Will have a designated point. Okay? Yung disqualify naman karon. Okay, reaching din. Sa babaw nga sa loob. If makot ka mga nagka-copy, will be being among the herdmen of Tekoa. What profession does this indicate? Again, Amos is described as being among next. I'm sorry. That's kind or cows. Sige. Number 4. What calamity? What do you got? Amos chapter 3 verse 7. Again, ano na kagina? Surely the Lord God does not his house. May question ko kagina related na. So ano ko no? Ang restoration involving David's house. Okay. Bisan hindi ang muna ka-exact. Identify the chapter 7 that measured Israel's standard. The vision, symbol in Amos chapter 7 standard. Okay, last thing. Which two constellations are named? Stop. 3, 4, stop. Okay. Go. Balik sa tagiya. Herdman, meaning shepherd. Letter C. Letter C. Which ancient cities are mentioned as examples of... Wow! Winner! 16? 2016? Ha? Plum blind. Wow! Si Johnny is only 32. Zainab got 35.5. So wala na bonus round. Dahil siya na pinag- Go, taas mo, go. Anyways.
Okay. Judah is wrong. Okay. Tapos na. Next, steal. Sino mag-steal? Tatlong mo. Levites is correct. Okay, pili. What specific sins did Nehemiah confess in his prayer to God? A. The idolatry of Babylon. B. The sins of the kings of Judah. C. The sins.
Letter C. The sins of the kings of Babylon.
Is correct! Abante na. Okay. Is wrong.
Letter C. He was afraid.
4. C is correct!
By
C is correct. Patason mo si Saya. Hindi na. Ano nga book?
Nehemiah 6.
Nehemiah 6. Okay. How did the people respond to Nehemiah?
B.
B is correct. Okay, question number 2 in Book of Genesis. Tegas? Ano nga book?
Amo na action. Boys, maakyat boys. Aba.
So, lima ka boxes diri. So, ang duwa, kaya kita nga, amo na mystery item. So, either isa ka mystery item or isa ka 1,000 pesos. So, ang approximately number 4 or 5. So, anong imo nga pili ka na, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sigurado? Number 2, final answer. Sigurado ka na ba? Final na?
Jenna, 20% Kana Lang say iPhone Mo. Charge it now.
Number 2, ano kaya ang music? Buksan natin number 5. Ang pinagpalit mo sa number 2. Tadi ang number 1. Sunod sa number 1.
Set.
Isa yung number 1. Uy! Ano na? Number 1 is Sibuya! Okay, guys. Thanks. Ang along mo na number 2 or 4? Sa kanila kasi ano yung mga tuloy? 2, 3, or 4?
Is it? Go! Yes! Lana!
Boy, bugaan! Abort ba kayo na abort?
Hindi mo lang kung kahit bugat na.
Gamay. Ang isa item, bag or
Sa hotel ba? Sorry. Short. Final. Okay, over.
20 pesos!
Pera! Over!
50 pesos! Isa bagot? 100 pesos!
Sa kalibo!
100! Pera! Kaya buksan na ang number 4. Ang laman ng number 4. Pinakulit mo. Bukya! 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 Bukya!
May kaso na tayo, may kaso na!
Sige, buksan na. Ang din palit. Isa yung 150 pesos ay... ang very positive doctor.
Pag ako na, ito 1K ko. Ito yung
For the outstanding performance for the Bible quiz competition held on June 22, 2025 at God's Grace Baptist Church. Therefore, to be given next week. Para may paano kita, may pa-consuelo man, may nag-effort man sila. Yan, ganun sa Biasis. Sorry, wala sa ano. We still have ongoing chapter. Sa atin sa tayo, mawait ka na, other games lang. Other games lang. Or